They say you should never judge a book by its cover, and in this case on Cobble Street, you'll notice the street view really gives very little away. Come on inside, have a look. You'll be impressed by the stunning asymmetric window design, high ceilings and open plan living. However, the real showstopper here is once you step outside again to the enormous outdoor sala. Cool tiled flooring, ceiling fans and retractable blinds will keep you comfortable, or dip into the large saltwater pool, or relax with a book on the grass area while the kids play. Cobble Street is a peaceful, family-friendly street. It's a stone's throw to the most extensive walking tracks around Enoggera Creek and Mount Coot-tha, and the Gap Park and Ride, from where you can get a bus into the city in around 30 minutes. A little further on is the Walkabout Creek Discovery Centre, with kayaking, swimming, a newly renovated cafe and much more. The Gap Village Shopping Centre, schools, medical facilities, eateries and sporting facilities are all less than a 5-minute drive from your door. My name is Kathleen Luck and we're really excited to bring this one to market. Please contact myself or one of our team members to arrange your viewing.